this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Always in My Heart bundle. So here's this lovely card with the Always in My Heart bundle. The Always in My Heart bundle includes this lovely stamp set and these dies. I really love this heart die. It's my favorite one, and we're going to use it in this card. It also has stamped flowers that you can stamp and cut out, and what I love is there's two of each, so two, and two leaves, and then there's two of these leaves. Put these leaves together. So you can cut more in one pass with your machine. And then we've got some flowers that match up with the flowers in the heart, and this lovely edge and this lovely banner that I will be showing you in my other videos with my two other cards that you should be sure to watch. So for this card, I'm going to start with a watercolor wash background. I love doing watercolor washes, and I always use shimmery white paper, and I'm going to use Blushing Bride ink, and I always wet the paper first, so I get some water on here and I get the paper wet, nice and wet, very wet for this one. And then I'm going to take a swipe of this ink and I'm going to wash it on here. We're just going to get this really nice watercolory, lovely bit of color on here. Some ink. I see some ink down here. Ooh, that's some dark ink. Oh, dark. I'll try to blend it in here. Okay, and now I'm going to grab some ink again. Got a little bit of dark ink there. I'm going to grab some paper because this is going to make a little bit of a mess. And I'm going to just tap, get some sprinkles on here. Let's see if I can squeeze and get a little bit of water going here. So there we go. So I can get some sprinkles on here. And turn it so I can get some over here. And we're going to let that dry. All right, now we're going to build this flower. Ooh, got ink on me. So I'll just wipe that off. Am I good? We're good. So we're going to start building this flower, this heart, this gorgeous heart flower here. I've cut out all these little flowers with the die. I've used adhesive sheets. Love the adhesive sheets. They make it super easy. And I'm just going to figure out how to place these on here so that they fit, so that they match. So here's a match right here. So pretty. And then we got... This one is backwards. I discovered that. So this is usually the way it cuts out. It's the flip side that matches. So I did not use an adhesive sheet on that one, so we're gonna have to glue this one. So I'll set that aside to glue. And then we've got this one over here that matches up that we can stick on. Isn't this cool? And then we've got this one over here, same flower that will stick on. So cute. And then I'm gonna change this up a little bit. And I'm gonna do this color over here. And then I will do this color here. So easy with the adhesive sheets, you just peel them off. Okay, so that's it. So I'm just going to get some liquid glue on this one so that I can adhere this one. So just a little bit. Mostly on the top because there's not really a bottom. Not really a bottom area to glue to. So we'll just adjust this a little bit and stick this on. And there we have colored the flowers on our floral heart. So pretty. So now I'm going to stamp Always in My Heart in Rococo Rose on my circle. I really like this color combination. It's Rococo Rose, Pear Pizzazz, and Blushing Bride. So Always in My Heart. You are always in my heart. Love it. And then I'm going to build the card base with some of this gorgeous paper that's part of the Love You Always suite. It's got this lovely foil. Can you see the shiny, shiny on the foil? There we go. Shiny, shiny on the foil. So pretty. So I'm just going to adhere that down. And this is 5.5 by 4.25. I decided to do the whole front piece. So it's going to cover the whole front. Let's see if this has dried now. It's mostly dry. So we'll just go ahead and attach this. Add a little bit extra adhesive because the paper is a little bit warped from the water. So we'll try and get that to stay flat. I'm really off in my cutting here. Really, really off. Look at that. Super off. How did that happen? But I really put a lot of adhesive on this. It's just gonna be what it's gonna be. Okay, if I was smart, I would have cut this out of the adhesive sheets too, but that's a lot of adhesive sheet to use on this one. I can just glue it. We've got these nice big leaves that I can put glue on. And we'll take this whole thing and place it down. So pretty. On our heart. And then we'll put dimensionals on the Always in My Heart. We'll just do like 2. We'll put it right there. And then I've already stamped and cut out a leaf. So we can put the leaf on dimensionals and then attach the flower. So I think I'll use just one of these little half dimensionals. So I'll just cut a half dimensional here. And how is this going to be? It's going to go like that. So I want to put the half dimensional down here. So we'll put this like that. some snail adhesive on the flower. And we'll just put the flower right like that. And there we have our beautiful, beautiful, always in my heart, floral heart card. I'm offering a card kit, a free card kit, for everyone that places a $30 order using my February hostess code. And it consists of 6 cards, 3 designs, 2 each. And if you also order the bundle, you'll get this card kit for free as well. This is available throughout the month of February. So only in February can you get this card kit. So go to my website and use this hostess code, placing a $30 order, and I will send you my card kit for free. Just email me and ask me for the Always in My Heart card kit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching me make this card, and I hope you make one of your own. I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.